and we'll be delivering water down the runway all the way down to the other end. It's Boeing 727, owned and operated by 2XL Aviation. That's a conglomerate. Well, it's part of a group of companies, and we've got T2 Aviation and TAG Aviation from Stansted. Own and operate this beautiful aeroplane. Average spray of 1,000 litres a minute. We're talking about 15 or 16 minutes straight line spray. As we spray water, but we can spray dispersal from that from the spray bottle. The dispersal's job is to chemically mix with the oil on top of the surface of the water. And that allows the oil and the water to mix, and then all the microorganisms in the water, they start effectively eating the oil. And as they start eating, they start multiplying in their millions. And it's that natural process that clears up the oil. The aircraft's based at Doncaster Airport, Robert Doncaster Sheffield Airport. We've two of them. One is down at Lasham at the moment, but that'll be returning to Doncaster at the end of the month. And those two aircraft are squirreled away in the hangar, ready at a 4-hour notice to go out and deal with any oil slick. That's my role as well. I'm also a flight engineer. Sometimes sit sideways on the airplane, and during the spraying missions, I'll be sitting forward, looking forward, and make sure the